Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, in this video, we'll make a feature about scroll. Wait, scroll position. Scroll position. Okay, let's open our project in Prescott. Open the home CSX and in the bell H1 makes the anchor, but I already changed the anchor to the link. After that, use the preserver scroll and we make the class for block and title block and it's mean the center and margin top it's mean 100 px, so we can scroll the page and then the new date and to local time string and use the local time, so we can use the local time. Okay, let's open the web, open the website and scroll and refresh, and we can see in here it is the local date, or you can say the time, local time. When you click, so it's running like time is the second is minutes and it's hour for an hour. So you can see in my time too, it's same, right? It's already 12. It's night, the midnight. And what's the function of preserver scroll? Okay, it's just erase and you can refresh and click in the date time local, date time local. So when we click to this, so we gonna scroll to the above, to above. So when we use the preserve scroll, when we click this time local, so we don't go to the above. Okay, as you can see in this in CIJS, you can check in the website official in here. You click in the scroll management in advanced and choose the scroll preservation is already definition and info about this session. Sometimes they serve to prevent default scroll setting when making visit. You can disable this behavior by setting preserve scroll option to true. Okay, maybe that's all about scroll location. Okay, see you in the next vlogs. Goodbye.